As always, it's a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. This is going to be just a liquid dye, like a bowl dye kind of thing. I'm still going to go ahead and flip it inside out because I want the pattern to match properly on the sleeves, and that's really the only way to do that. So let's go ahead and flip this. Mark the center of the collar. I guess I shouldn't have put the cap back on that, should I? There we go. Right. Make sure that's smoothed out. I'll go ahead and flip this over. Touch up that a little. My dog thinks someone is invading our home because I'm in this room for whatever reason. Right. Alright, there we go. And I think, let's see, I don't know what that is. It's like something was in the bucket. It's not a dye. Alright. Doesn't look quite right. It's what happens if I freeform it instead of just marking it. It's about right. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and accordion fold that. Let's see, is that going to be okay? There we go. So go ahead and tie this. Right, I'm going to just pull this because it looks like it stayed almost correct. I'm just going to leave it as is. And somebody recommended in one of the comments to put a rubber band on the end to hold that in place, and it does work for small sections like this. The full width, it does not work well, or if you're doing a diagonal where you have 2 feet or so to work with, it doesn't work well, but for this it will. So let's see what we'll do here. So it's about 8.5 inches. So I'm going to go 1.5. Yeah, we'll just let that last one be. So go ahead and pull this. And I'm getting really close to needing a new roll of sinew. I think I caught the rubber band. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and just use this for this end piece here. Alright, if this all stays together, I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Let's see, gonna work? Alrighty. So I've got this, and I didn't want to just do that. I wanted to do something different, and I'm not sure what. Let's see. Which would I need to do to pull this back on itself? Alright, I'm having trouble with this. There we go. Alright, I think I'm going to try this. Grab the rubber bands real quick. Pull that out. Alright, so let's see, what do I want to do? Tighten that one up a little more. I think I'm going, do I go there or do I go opposite? I think I'm going to go opposite. So I'm going to mark this real quick. See, so that would be there. I'm sorry about that. Alright, this one. Yeah, I don't think I've ever done this design before. I don't think I've ever even considered doing something like this before. I'm kind of curious what I'm going to do here. Alright, so we've still got this one left. I'm going to end up getting my thumb caught one of these times. Man loses thumb in freak tie-dyeing incident. Alright, so this should be about 1.5 inches or so. And I don't know. You can't really do that thin of an area. It doesn't work well. I think I'm actually going to tuck it back. There we go. I do wonder if I should do something up here, but I think I'm going to leave it. I kind of like what the pattern looks like as far as the tie itself. Alright, so there we go. Go ahead and cut that loose. And off to dye. Okay, for the dye I'm using Custom Colors Dark Black, and it's just mixed up 1 teaspoon per 2 ounces of liquid. And all we're going to do is pour it into this aluminum boat. Alright, I've got it poured about halfway up, and I might have to keep pouring it in as it goes on. I'm not sure. But I'll let this sit for a while, at least 18 hours, and if I need to I'll add some throughout that time. Then we'll do the washout. Alright, it's been about 24 hours, so let's do the washout. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll wash this out on the washing machine and we'll see if there's any good color change in there.